This is the back side of a Husky 145, and this is a lifetime lubricated machine, and it has an issue with the tensioner. The tensioner has a pivot down here and then an arm up behind the dial, and this pivot was greased and the grease has gone sticky, so the tensioner is not adjusting because that pivot got all stuck at whatever setting it was. And if you turn the tensioner up to its highest setting, then it sticks up on 9 and won't go down any lower. So if you have one of these and you're having severe tension issues on your top tension, there's a good chance your the grease on that tensioner has just hardened and is holding the tensioner at maximum tension. You can apply a bit of oil and a little bit of heat to melt the old grease out and get fresh oil in, and the tensioner will start working again.